quick reading for January the 13th to January the 14th, Gemini. So we have the King of Cups, the Three of Wands, the Five of Cups. So someone here probably mag-a-assume, it could be your person na parang sasabihin, ay, porket hindi na siya nagsasalita, okay na. So parang eto mag-a-assume ng bati na kayo, kumbaga pwede ka na niyang biruin agad. Parang, hoy, hindi ko pa nakakalimutan yung ginawa mo, no? Huwag kang umarte na as if napatawad na kita. No, hindi porket kinakausap na kita, okay tayo. Yung parang ganon. So medyo masungit itong mga time ni Gemini ngayon. Kasi para kasing merong inaantay dito si Gemini na hindi pa ginagawa. It could be an apology, it could be telling the truth, it can be, basta anything that would pacify my emotions, porket hindi nagsasalita at hindi umaaray, okay na. Yun yung parang gustong sabihin dito ni Gemini. Kaya kung meron kang mga Gemini kung meron kang nakakonect ka sa Gemini and you're a cross watcher ng no, wag tayong mag-assume agad. So this is your quick reading, Gemini, for January the 13th to January the 14th.
Predicting future is my purpose.